Are you wondering if you can unlock the speed limit on the OneSport OT16 e-bike and how fast can you actually drive with it? First, as you probably already know, this is totally street legal bike, and by default it comes limited to 25 kilometers per hour. So by default we actually can't go faster than that. And if you're wondering if we can somehow bypass the speed limit on this bike, I have some very bad news basically. So they have actually completely removed the option to remove the speed limiter from this bike, I guess to stay totally legal. So probably unless you maybe change the controller of this bike, you won't be able to actually unlock the speed on this bike in any way. For example, I have the same controller on another bike, and on that, if I were to press these two buttons at the same time, I could basically go here in the settings and easily unlock the speed limit. So the other bike which I have, which has the same unit, has literally got like 20 different settings. As you see, this has got only 4. So they have like locked us totally out of these additional settings, and also a way how to basically bypass the speed limit. Also by default, when you get the bike, it also does not come with a throttle, again to make it totally street legal. But what's cool, inside the box here they still include a throttle, so you can install it. So literally it takes maybe like 2 minutes. I have another video on my channel how to do that if you want to learn that. And the throttle actually works absolutely fantastic on this bike. But yeah, when it comes to negatives, even if you install the throttle, the speed limiter is still on and you are stuck at 25 kilometers per hour. And let me lift up the bike, so you'll see if I accelerate, it goes up to 25 kilometers per hour and stops there. So again, 25 kilometers per hour is the maximum speed we can achieve from this bike. By the way, when it comes to motor power, the motor is actually insanely good on this e-bike. Probably on these folding bikes, really the best you can get, so absolutely great motor. If you check their specs, it's rated at 250 watts. So you see, it even says on it 250 watts. But really that's only the peak, sustained power. If we look at the peak power, it's definitely way more powerful than that. And I can easily climb very steep hills with this bike. So I estimate in real life, in peak, maybe it's like something like 600 watts. So again, it's very powerful. Even if you are a heavy rider, it's still absolutely great bike in my opinion. So definitely it could go much faster than the 25 kilometers per hour if there was a way how to unlock it. So when it comes to power really, yeah, this is probably the best bike we can get. And yeah, also the build quality is absolutely superb. We get fully integrated lights as well, and also absolutely massive battery. So you see, we get 816 watt hours, and this is also a 48 volt battery. So again, it's a very powerful battery and also extremely large. So if you use it with a pedal assistant, it can last literally for I think around like 100 kilometers on like a low to medium mode. So definitely, if there was a way how to unlock it, it could definitely go way faster than that, since again the power is insanely good on this bike. However, personally, the 25 kilometers per hour speed limit doesn't really bothers me much on this bike, since again it's more like a folding bike. You are going to mostly use it around the city. That speed is already like very fast on a bike. So for most normal riders, I do not think you'll find any problems with that speed limit on this bike. Also, if you are looking to get this bike, in the description I'll include a special discount links that you can follow and get it for the cheapest price possible. Also, I managed to get extra €100 coupon from OneSport that you can use to essentially take extra €100 off. So first, simply follow that link. It will lead you directly to the OneSport website, and in the checkout enter the coupon UV16 for additional €100 off. At the time of filming, basically, if you use that link and also coupon, you can have it only for a bit over €600 for this price. This is completely unbeatable, I would say. Okay, good luck.